30th of September 2013 at 6 o'clock in the evening in New York, Brooklyn City. A 25-year-old girl got raped when she was heading to her friend's place. She was supposed to be there in the afternoon, but no one was uninformed about her. This tragic incident has taken place when she was taking a taxi ride to her friend's place. She was helpless and was unable to contact anyone. This is just one incident that has happened. Hi, we Team Mavericks. I'm Mirandi.
I'm Shashi.
I'm Isuru.
And I'm Charushi.
Kidnapping and raping are some of the major problems in the world that are increasing rapidly and which may even lead to the death. Statistics shows innumerable number of people are being kidnapped per year all around the world. And women are the most affected people from this problem. Assume a person is in a city for the first time and she or he has to go to a place in the same city. Probably they would take a taxi since they don't know about the roads in the city. Since the passenger doesn't know the roads of the city, the taxi driver would cheat on them. The taxi driver would take on them on the roads where they're never ever going to end up with the destination but with sexual abuse or with a death. World is finding solutions for these problems and the world has also found some kind of solutions for these problems. Yet, there are a few drawbacks in the prevailing solutions. So, what are the drawbacks?
The drawbacks of current applications which are made for this taxi safety requires mainly the passenger to keep looking at their mobile phone and to make sure that they are on the right track. And in our application, it will alert if they are in a wrong track, so the user doesn't need to keep an eye on the mobile phone. And there's another drawback such that you have to send the taxi details, the driver details, and connect to guardians to GPS every time you get into a taxi. So that's kind of risky and bothering and takes time. So in our application, it sends an alert only when you are in a danger position. So the receivers receive 100% attention on that alert.
So our team came up with a better solution for this taxi passenger safety. In our application, we will be using the GPS technology, Google Maps, and voice recognition. When the user is in a strange city, they can input their destination to our application through voice or keyboard. At that time, our application will detect all the possible routes which leads to their destination and will mark it on our map. If the driver tries to change their route to somewhere that they never reach to their destination, the user will receive an alert SMS. At that time, the user is aware about his danger, and at the same time, the user's family will receive an alert automated call plus an SMS. And the user is provided with an option to send an automated call to the police station. This special thing is all our alerts will be sent with the location where this change happened. So let's see what are the impacts of our application.
Yes, so when talking about the impacts, this application impacts a lot for the user. If you are using this application, you can avoid being kidnapped or from sexual abuse and from other certain things. And the most important thing is the messages were sent so quickly, therefore anyone that you want to inform will get to know that you are in a danger and they can take action regarding it quickly. Even you are traveling at night, you can use this application to find where you're going. So this application is easy and it's really user friendly. So even without age differentiation, elderly people can use this application and also the deaf and blind people. So this is the solution we came up with to protect the taxi passengers without falling any troubles when going in a taxi. So as a team, our next step is to process with a discussion with the police stations, because we have a feature to inform the police station about the danger. So we are in discussions with the police station to implement our application. So thank you very much, and we are Mavericks from Sri Lanka.